Welcome back, my lovely friends. My name is Georgi and you're watching Just Shake or Stir. And today I want to present something because I did a thing. Yes, I did a thing again, and yeah, I entered another competition after another competition after another. So when you're watching this video, I will probably be in London, or I've already been in London because I qualified for the Tio Pepe finals in London. But this cocktail I'm gonna present to you next week, because it's very dear to me. I don't know if I'm gonna win or no. No matter what, you're gonna see the cocktail. However, today we're doing Una Pera Cotta. Now this in Italian, and it's translated to English, a cooked pear. And it's basically because it's cooked pear, but you see what I mean. It's a Italicus competition to create aperitivo, which is inspired by art. And my inspiration is the art of Mother Nature, because what a better artist than the Mother Nature. So, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, watch the whole video. And of course, let's get to the point and make the Una Pera Cotta Aperitivo. Okay, boys and girls, so ingredients. We have first Italicus Rosolio di Bergamotto, a fantastic Italian aperitif made with Bergamotto lemons, and obviously have some lavender and other herbs inside, but I mentioned the lavender and you see why. Then we have No.3 Gin, which is on the back there, but this one it's infused with lavender. We have Jasmin Verte, wonderful Jasmin liqueur. And I know it probably won't be available everywhere, but I'm just sharing my cocktail for the competition. And if you find this liqueur, it's absolutely insanely good. So maybe look for it. It's a wonderful thing. Then we have some soda water, and then we have some pear, lavender, thyme, and Bergamotto lemons syrup. Now, how this became this syrup is because I poached some pears to create the garnish. Now the cocktail is supposed to be sustainable, and one of the ingredients should be edible, sustainable ingredients, which is used in the cocktail, but also it's edible. So what I did, I poached pears with Bergamotto, Acacia Honey, thyme, lavender, some water, and of course a little bit of sugar. And these poached pears, they can stay for longer, and they can be used as a garnish. And of course, the rest of the water which you're using to create these poached pears, you can keep it as a syrup for your aperitivo. And if you're fancy to see how this is made, make sure you check my other channel, the mixology art, and I'll leave a link in the description, and maybe subscribe. But now let's make the cocktail. And this is a fairly easy cocktail because, as I mentioned, it's aperitivo. It's kind of like a spritz, and the beauty of it, it's built up in the glass. So fill up a wine glass with cracked ice. So you don't need too much ice, but you just need some cracked ice inside. Simple as that, no shaking, no nothing. And then we're gonna start with our Italicus, which is 45 ml or an ounce and a half, directly in the glass. There we go. Then our next ingredient is to give a little bit like a hit and a little bit more elevate the cocktail. It's the London No.3 Gin infused with lavender. You can use your favorite London Dry Gin. I love No.3, so that's why I use it. So it's only 30 ml or an ounce. And if you see where I'm going with the color here, it's the idea is to kind of match the golden color of the label of the Italicus. So that's what's happening. Then we have half an ounce or a 15 ml of the Jasmin Verte, which is wonderful Jasmin liqueur. It's the basic ingredient, but also has some lovely other herbs and spices inside. So if you kind of Google it, Jasmin Verte, you'll see what I'm talking about. And finally, I recommend to have 90 ml of the pear and a lavender soda, which is made with 100 ml of this syrup to 1 liter of soda. But because we're gonna make it just like that, I'm gonna put 1 ounce or a 30 ml of the syrup inside, and just gonna top it up with soda. Simple as that. There we go. Beautiful. Now, a very little gentle stir because we don't want to kind of break the carbonation too much. Just a little stir. And I'm gonna grab my pears, my cutting board here. Very organized this time, as always. Ha. So this is the pears. They've been in my fridge now for a week and they're still fantastically fresh. They have a very wonderful, very nice nuance of the lavender because they're poached with lavender. So all you need to do, I mean, it's up to you. You can put the whole pear on the top if you want, but I like to cut it like in half. Just clean the inside. And I'm gonna grab one of my Italicus cocktail picks just through the pear and just drop it inside. And this is it, my lovely friends. This is the Una Pera Cotta, a wonderful Italian aperitivo inspired by nature with a sustainable ingredient, sustainable garnish, beautiful pear and lavender syrup inside with a little bit of thyme and bergamot lemon, and of course the jasmin and the gin. So cheers. Oh, fantastic. Summertime, in the garden, by the sea, on the beach, whatever you like. That's your drink. Stay safe, as always. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, stay safe out there. I'll see you next time with a cocktail which I made for Tio Pepe. Wonderful, based on a Macallan whiskey with a lovely sherries, and oh, you'll love it. But until then, as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.